Myself, Rajendra Skarale. My qualification is MSc Chemistry B.Ed and experience is of 28 years. Now, today we are going to discuss about third unit of concentration, that is normality. This is only for NEET and JEE. Though this topic is not given in the MBSE, CBSE and MHT-CET, but it is also important for MBSE, CBSE and MHT-CET. First we will discuss about the definition of normality. That means here number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Now here it is represented by capital N. It is expressed in gram equivalent per liter, that is gram equivalent per liter. Now according to the definition, normality n equal to number of gram equivalent upon volume of solution in liter. Now here in the definition of normality, the volume is considered and volume of solution changes with change in temperature, so the normality is also changes. It changes with change in temperature. This is because the volume of expansion or compression or compression of the liquid with change in temperature. That means here write down the expression let n be the normality of the solution. Here normality n equal to number of gram equivalent upon volume of solution in liter. Suppose this is your equation number 1, but what is the meaning of number of gram equivalent? Gram equivalent means equivalent mass expressed in gram, but how will you find out the equivalent mass? That is mass, but here number of gram equivalent equal to mass upon equivalent mass. And volume of solution in liter, that means volume in liter equal to V in ml upon 1000. Now putting this value in equation 1, we get capital N equal to MB upon EB upon V upon 1000. That means here capital N equal to MB into 1000 upon EB into V, and this is your equation number 2. Now keep in mind here, this V is the volume in ml, where MB is the mass of solute in gram, EB is the equivalent mass of solute in gram, and V is the volume of solution in ml. Now we are add down solution normality and here number of gram equivalents. Suppose your solution is normal, that means here write down normal solution a solution having normality equal to 1, that is 1 gram equivalent of solute one gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution. Second, semi-normal solution. Semi means half, that means a solution having normality equal to 1/2, that is 1/2 gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution. Third, decinormal. Solution. Deci means 1/10. That means here a solution having normality equal to 1/10, that is 1/10 gram equivalent of solute per liter of the solution. 1/10 means 0.1. Now we have fourth, centinormal solution. Centi means 1/100. A solution having normality equal to 1/100, that is 1/100 gram equivalent of solute per liter of the solution. 1/100 means 0.01. Keep in mind here, most important point is that normal solution means normality 1, then semi-normal means normality half, normal solution means normality 1/10, and centi-normal solution means normality 1/100. Now here keep in mind number 1 dilution formula. Now here, if the solution of some substance is diluted by adding solvent from volume V1 to volume V2, then N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. That means here dilution formula, if the solution of some substance is diluted by adding solvent from volume V1 to the volume V2, then the dilution formula is N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. Second, in volumetric analysis, now here gram equivalence of two substances undergoing chemical reaction in solution must be equal if V1 ml of solution having normality N1 consume V2 ml of another solution having normality N2, then N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. This formula is also called a dilution formula, and strength is equal to normality into equivalent mass. Now we have third normality of a mixture now we write down number 8 normality of a mixture of two or more than two strong acids that means here when V1 ml of acid of normality N1 is mixed with V2 ml of acid of normality N2, then the normality of resulting solution, resulting mixture or solution is capital N equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Now here keep in mind, here mixture of two or more than two strong acids are there. So add this term N1V1 plus N2V2, and in the denominator add the volume of two acids, that is V1 plus V2. Second, normality of a mixture of two or more than two strong bases. Now here write down, when V1 ml of base of normality N1 is mixed with V2 ml of base of normality N2, then the normality of resulting solution is N equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Now here write down third case. Normality of a mixture of strong acid and strong base. Now here when V1 ml of acid of normality N1 is mixed with V2 ml of base of normality N2, then here case first, if N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, hence the solution is neutral. Case second, if N1 V1 is greater than N2 V2, hence the solution is acidic. The normality of resulting solution is N equal to N1 V1 minus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. That means here mixture of strong acid and bases. That means here acid produce H plus ion and bases produce OH minus ion. That means H plus ions are neutralized by OH minus ion. So here you can use the negative sign. But here N1 V1 is greater than N2 V2. That means N1 V1 minus N2 V2. But again, though H plus ion cancel the OH minus ion, but there is addition of two solution. Therefore, you can use V1 plus V2 in the denominator. Third case, if N2 V2 is greater than N1 V1, hence the solution is basic, and hence the normality of resulting solution is N equal to N2 V2 minus N1 V1 upon V1 plus V2. Now this normality means This is the concentration of OH minus ion. In the second case, that is the concentration of H plus ion. Now, in the mixture of two or more than two strong acid, you will get the value of N, and which is nothing but the concentration of H plus ion. And in the mixture of two or more than two strong bases, you will get the normality, and which is nothing but the concentration of OH minus ion. Now here, write down numericals. Calculate the normality of solution containing (31.5 gram of hydrated oxalic acid H2 C2O4 dot 2 times H2O in 1250 ml of solution. Now here write down solution, given data. Now here first to find n equal to question mark mass of solute is given, that is MB equal to 31.5 gram, and volume is also given, which is in ml. V equal to 1250 ml. Now here first calculate to find molecular mass of oxalic acid. That means MB. Formula of oxalic acid is H2C2O4 2 times H2O. That means here COOH, single bond COOH dot 2 times H2O. This is the formula of oxalic acid here. That means here MB equal to H2. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1 into 2 plus C2. Atomic mass of carbon is 12. 12 into 2 plus O4. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into 4 plus 2 times atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2 plus that of oxygen is 16 into 1, and which is equal to 128 gram. (126 gram). Here second, to find equivalent mass of oxalic acid, that means here EB equal to question mark, that is here EB equal to MB upon basicity. Here MB is 126 and basicity of oxalic acid is 2, that means 2 H are there, and which is equal to 63 gram. Third, to find normality N equal to question mark, that means here N equal to MB into 1000 upon EB into V. Now substitute the value here, you will get 31.5 into 1000 upon 63 into 1250. 31.5 ones are 31.5, 31.5 twos are 63, 1250 into 2, that means 1000 upon 1250, and which is equal to gram equivalent. Now the same numerical can also be solved by using the techniques or by the use of definition directly. What is the definition of normality? Number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that means 1000 ml of solution. Now here mass of solute is given, that is 31.5, and equivalent mass of oxalic acid is 63. That means convert this mass into equivalent mass, that is 1250 ml contain 31.5 upon 63, that means 1/2 gram equivalent. Hence 1000 ml contain 1/2 upon 1250 into 1000, and here which is nothing but the 0.4 gram equivalent per liter. That means here 2500, here write down 0.54 gram equivalent per liter. Then next, second, hundred centimeter cube of 10 normal HCl are diluted with distilled water to a volume of 2 liters. Find out the normality of the resulting solution. Here write down question mark and here answer is n equal to 0.5 gram equivalent per liter. Now try to solve this numerical. That means this is for homework. Centimeter cube means ml. Convert this 2 liter in ml. That means here this can be solved with the help of dilution formula, that is N1V1 equal to N2V2, or this also can be solved with the help of technique. That means hundred centimeter cube, here 10 normality, and here 2 liter means 2000 centimeter cube, and then calculate the normality. Now here keep in mind the concept, that is concentration is inversely proportional to volume. That means normality is inversely proportional to the volume. Here volume is increased by 20 times. So normality is decreased by 20 times. That means here 10 upon 20, that is 1/2. 1/2 means 0.5 normal. In this way, you can also solve this numerical with the help of formula pattern or this technique pattern. This is regarding about normality, their expression and the numericals based on it, and the remaining part of this unit will be discussed in the next lecture.